so today we're going to be talking about our phonics focus this week. And it is really a hard one because we have some things where we take off the Y, change it to an I, and add ER or EST. Yeah. Or we take something and we have trouble with the double. So we have our two endings. It's ER and EST. Okay? Those are our endings. And we have to think about whether the word stays the same and then we add ER or EST. Or we have to do something to it. We also are going to be having some mini lessons about what does it mean when you add ER or EST to a word. It actually changes kind of the meaning of the word. And that will be the first mini lesson that you'll actually get for tomorrow. Okay? Okay, up, back where we were. We're not moving around. We're not moving around. Thank you. Okay, so go ahead and give me some words and see if you can remember how to spell them. We reviewed some yesterday. Thank you for your hand. Okay, remember it's an ending that adds on to a base word, okay? So if I were to look at rest, R-E-S-T, it does have E-S-T in it, but what's the base word? What's the word that we started with before we added the ending? Do we have one? We don't. So it can't be the kind of word that we're looking for right now. It has E-S-T in it, but we're looking for a base word like hot is the base word. And then I can add trouble with the double, and add ER. Or I can do hotist, H-O-T is my base word again, and I can write trouble with the double. I have to double it because it ends in a consonant and there's a short vowel sound here, and then I add EST, okay? This is the ending. This is the ending. We have prefixes that go at the beginning of words. These are suffixes, endings on the ends of words, okay? So be careful, don't get tricked. So can you give me a word? Got another one? Give me one I don't have. Smallest. Nice. You want to try to spell it? Go ahead. S-M-A-L-L-E-S-T. Nice. Do we do anything to that word to put the ending on at all? No. We just add the ending because we already are ending in a consonant, but when we bump over, it's already a consonant. So we don't have to have trouble with the double. It doesn't end in a Y, so we don't take off the Y, change it to an I, and add E-S-T, right? So we just leave it. We just add that ending. And this is the ending. Small is my base word. And the suffix that I added was EST. Give me another word. Thank you for your hand. Bluer. Bluer. This water is bluer, more blue than the other water. So go ahead and spell that for me. B-L-U-E-S-T. Bluer, you told me. Is it bluer? You were doing, okay. Now, this is tricky because we're just going to put an R there. It's going to look like we're doing that. So blue is our base word, right? But then we technically take off the E and add ER. But it really doesn't look like that, right? Because ER is our suffix at the end of our word. No, there wouldn't be two E's. I love that Vanessa says that. She says, look, I wouldn't go B-L-U-E-E-R. That.
Believe.
You can write it and then your brain will go.
Believe.
Okay, give me another word. I love how she's thinking.
Fatter.
Fatter. Where do you spell it?
F-A-T-T-E-R.
Ah, how come we have two T's? Our base word is fat. Our ending is ER. How come we have two T's?
Because so the T's not a consonant, but the word.
Okay, T is a consonant. It ends in a consonant.
It's a vowel.
Okay, so when we look at fat, we look at the ending. Does it end in a consonant? Is T a consonant or a vowel? 1, 2, 3.
Consonant.
It's not A-E-I-O-U or sometimes Y. We then jump over and it's a vowel. Cool. Because we're going to have trouble with the double. Is it long or short? 1, 2, 3.
Short.
Short. So we have trouble with the double. We double it. Nice job. Okay, we got to be thinking about that one. That one's hard. Give me another word.
Greener.
Greener. My grass is greener. More green than your grass. Can you spell it for me?
G-R-E-E-N-E-R.
Right. The base word is what?
E-R.
No, that's the ending. That's the ending that we're adding on is ER. What's the base word?
E-R.
What's the base word? The whole word is the color?
Green.
Green. Right. Here's my base word green, and I'm just adding on that suffix at the end, ER, to make it more green. Thank you for your hand.
Greenest.
I could then say my lawn is the greenest, which means it's even greener than your lawn, right?
Yep.
And can you spell it for me?
E-R-E-E-N-E-S-T.
Do I change the word at all? No. My base word is what?
Green.
Green, nice. And what's my ending?
Yes.
E-S-T, nice job. Ooh, you guys are catching on wildfire. Say it one more time.
Fattest.
Fattest. Can you spell it for me?
F-A-T-T-E-S.
Nice job. How come I have 2 T's? There's
A vowel.
trouble with the double. My base word is fat. My ending is EST, and I double it because I look at my base word and I say it ends in a consonant. How come I look at my base word and it ends in a, and then I go next door and it's a, that is short. What kind of short vowel? So I double it. Be careful not to just shout out answers because we want to know what someone's thinking, right? Okay, we have time for one more word. Thank you for your hand, my friend.
Here we go.
Smaller. Can you spell it? S-M-A. E-R. What's my base word, my friend? Small. Nice. It's the word before I added anything to it, and my suffix at the end is the E-R. Nice. Good. Okay, so today when you're doing your words and your centers, I want you to be thinking about base words, and then what do you do to that word, okay? You have books that you can go into and
Am I
look for
done?
base words. That's okay. You have books that you can go into